Junction School, Mr. Brown here. I'm actually on my way to your school right now to start the assemblies. I had to get up like at 5:30 this morning to come see you. Actually, I got up at 5:05 to be exact. I don't think you really care about that. But I'm on my way to your school and we're gonna have a great assemblies. I'm speaking in 7 assemblies today. 7, can you count that on one hand? No, you can't. And I can't put up 2 hands because I'm driving right now, but I'm speaking 7 times. Not 52, but yeah, 7. And our message is very simple. When you make better choices, you will live a better life. So choose well. Oh yeah. Hey parents, I really want you to talk to your kids about what they learned today, what they got, what they put in their invisible backpack, or what's the one thing they walked away with today. So we're gonna talk about a lot of things, but it all comes down to choices. And so we're talking about, I'll tell you later, or your kids will tell you. Oh yeah. Oh, nice stuff. Oh, but it's a lot of cars. Hopefully that's me a VIP parking space. You know, VIP, very important. Pickles, no, very important person. Did they save me a parking space? I don't see one. Let's see. Oh, they saved me a parking space. Well, I don't know if they actually saved it for me, but I'm gonna use it. So we've done 3 assemblies so far. They've been great. Kids have listened. And I'll go ahead and tell you the main message today is this. Communicate with kindness. Communicate with kindness. That, you know, there's a way we can talk to each other and when we're all stressed out. It's not good. So we talked about being overly aggressive, not to be aggressive, not to be passive either, not to just say things are okay when they're not okay. But then also not to be passive aggressive and then ultimately be assertive, to be able to speak your mind, say what you feel, to talk to you. Now, we didn't do that with every age group. The kindergartens, we didn't talk about that with TK and K. We just talked about communicate with kindness. They all got that message. And TK kindergarten families, we also said this, use your words and not your whine. Y'all, yeah, use your words, not your whine. And maybe that can be good for 8th graders too. Use your words and not your whine. Even adults, because we sometimes whine too. Anyway, been a great assembly. Parents, do me a favor. Go ahead, check out my website, hellomrbrown.com. Visit my website, hellomrbrown.com/junction. I got a little survey for you, a little question, just one question for you. Also, I would love to get your email address so we can stay in touch. You can find out all the stuff we're doing with Hello Mr. Brown and the Choose Well program. So visit hellomrbrown.com. Fill out that little, just one question, see what your kids talked about when they came home. And remember, when you make better choices, you live a better life. So choose well. Oh yeah.